Is the Shiv Sena guilty of vendetta politics? Is Kangana Ranaut a BJP proxy being used to embarrass the Sena? Are Kangana's comments an insult to Maharashtra as is being suggested? I'm joined by Bharat Dabolkar, one of the old Mumbaikars, ad guru, actor. Anu Ranjan is president of the Indian Television Academy and also associated with the film and television world. Anjali Damania is a social activist who's been taking up the cause of illegal constructions and corruption issues. Shweta Shalini is the BJP spokesperson. Appreciate your joining us. Shweta Shalini, let me start with you. You heard Kangana Ranaut saying, you heard Priyanka Chaturvedi saying Kangana Ranaut is a proxy for the BJP. She's speaking the BJP's language. Once you speak a political party's language, the other party will hit at you. Every day, if Kangana Ranaut is going to hit at the Shiv Sena, why will the Shiv Sena not respond? She's not some innocent person here.
Rajdeep ji, I saw Priyanka Chaturvedi talk a lot of things, not only this. So I need to respond on a couple of other things also.
No, first you respond to this, I'll let you respond on the other things. Respond to this.
I'm amazed that this is the... No. First, I'm amazed that Priyanka Chaturvedi was somebody who left Congress because of women empowerment, because she was abused. And now she's standing up for somebody who called another woman haramkhor. Oh goodness. And of course, Priyanka Chaturvedi ji comes from Congress, so it is fine. She can take the name of Kafil Khan. Kafil Khan, what was he arrested? He was not arrested because he said something against the chief minister. Please, let me remind you what he said. He said that there are 25 crore Muslims and we will see. This is anti-India comments. And yes, he's just out on bail.
Shweta
and
Shalini,
lastly, coming to the question that
is
you
Kangana
asked,
Ranaut a proxy for the BJP?
So,
do you believe that Kangana
Ranaut... I'm coming to that, Rajdeep. Yes. I'm answering that question, Rajdeep ji. She asked me that if Kangana is a proxy to the BJP, I want to ask, what is the Surrender Sena a proxy to? What are they hiding? Why did they do this vendetta politics? Why? What are they stopping? If there is somebody who comes ahead and says that I am going to be standing against the drug mafia, the syndicate, I will help you. We will lay out the government should lay out the red carpet for that person. But that means, does that mean that the Sena today is standing with the drug mafia? So is that Sena, the government today, is it a proxy to the drug mafia or the entire Bollywood mafia, so to say?
Okay. Those are, the fact is that Kangana Ranaut has used, do you approve of the word she has used, calling Mumbai, likening Mumbai to Pakistan occupied Kashmir, likening her house to a Ram Mandir?
Absolutely not.
Do you approve of her calling the chief minister
Absolutely not.
No,
we do not stand.
Do you approve of the language of Kangana Ranaut? Yes or no?
Absolutely not. I will put it on record. I do not approve. I do not approve of her language. I will want her to respect Uddhav Thackeray ji, who's the chief minister of Maharashtra. But I do not approve of anybody calling out names to women. I do not approve of anybody going unconstitutional. She has personal rights. If you have anything against her, go to the court. You went to court and filed a caveat saying that when she will approach the court, please listen to me, do not do it. BMC did that.
Okay.
HC order has slapped you on your face.
Okay.
And you have come back red-faced.
Okay, you made your point. Let me go across and get...
for the proxy of the so-called Bollywood mafia.
Okay. Let me get quick comments also. Bharat Dabolkar, you want to respond? Where do you stand on this? As a Mumbaikar, as one of, Mumbaikar who's seen Mumbai through the highs and lows of the Shiv Sena, where do you believe? Do you believe Kangana Ranaut has a case? Or do you believe that the BMC will say, look, if it's an illegal construction, they have a right to demolish it?
I think right now, whether Kangana Ranaut is right or wrong is immaterial. I think what the government has done or the BMC has done is a PR disaster. There has to be a time and place for doing anything that they're doing. As Sharad Pawarji also said this evening, that why did they have to rush and demolish this right now? There are so many other illegal structures which they haven't demolished. What was the hurry in demolishing? This Sharad Pawarji saying this. I think what the government has done is they've created a David versus Goliath situation here suddenly. Suddenly you find that there is one poor girl, whether she's right or wrong is immaterial. That's a different matter altogether.
But she isn't a poor girl. Let's be very clear. Bharat Dabolkar, what you said is right, PR disaster, but Kangana Ranaut is no poor girl.
I'm not saying she's poor girl from that point of view. I'm saying that it suddenly looks like there's this one single girl,
Right.
and there's the entire government machinery and the BMC machinery against her, which is a wrong image to create. And the government has created that.
Okay.
She can say anything. She is goading these people. She may be a BJP mole or whatever, but she's goading the government, and the government should have the smartness not to get drawn into this.
Let me also...
Be careful.
Okay, point taken. Let me bring in Anu Ranjan. Anu Ranjan, is Kangana Ranaut victim? Do you believe that Kangana Ranaut has reason to play victim, that she has reason to believe that she has been unfairly targeted with a misuse of power?
No, not at all, Rajdeep. In fact, Kangana has been given this big field to play in for the last 3 months. She has been non-stop attacking solely just her, the entire, whether it's politics, but I'm going to talk on behalf of Bollywood. I remember her telling us that Bollywood, 99% of them are drugs. Who the hell is she to say that? And if she knows she has the gall, come out with their names. Why do you just leave the little things and walk off? Then she started acting politics. On one hand, Ria is also a lone girl. Now, I am not saying she's right, wrong, or whatever, but the fact is, when she gets punished, etc., that is justice, democracy. When Kangana is fascism, I mean, for God's sake, treat them at par. And number two, where BMC is concerned, we are constantly complaining that BMC has got illegal structures, building, blah, blah, blah. Now, when they are doing their job and they said they had warned, let them do it. And why the hell are all these politicians coming in the picture? I mean, tomorrow, if I have an issue and my little garage is being broken, tell me who's going to come forward and take care of me. None of them. And she's asked for it. Now she's saying it was politics, Shiv Sena and BMC and the Bollywood mafia who had an office broken. For God's sake, what Bollywood mafia here? They have no, they have better things to do. They sit and concentrate on the work than to say, oh my God, there's an extra plant outside this window, let's break it. So she's no poor thing, nothing. She's asked for it. She's been literally throwing darts every single day.
Very interesting perspective. Very interesting perspective. So one person, Bharat Dabolkar, suggesting PR disaster for the government. Anu Ranjan suggesting that Kangana Ranaut in a way has been asking for it. Let me bring in Anjali Damania at this point as an activist who's been looking at issues of illegalities, corruption. Anjali Damania, do you believe that the BMC has misused its powers or in a sense sent out a message?
Rajdeep, first of all, there are hundreds and hundreds of so-called Shiv Sena shakhas, which are there not just in Bombay, but all across Maharashtra. Can Shiv Sena explain whether all of them are legal structures? I mean, what sort of a political tamasha is this? Here you simply target, and first let me talk about Kangana. The statements that she has made, the way she has spoken about the CM, the way she addressed him, that was simply horrible. I mean, we don't expect this kind of language for a chief minister of a state. So leave Kangana aside. She is an individual. She can say things and she can get away with it. But let's look at the way the MP of our country talks, and who was then promoted as the chief spokesperson by that political party. So what sort of a message are we sending to the people at large that we felicitate people who talk rotten against women? The words that he had used, and each time, the words that he had actually, most of it was started by Mr. Sanjay Raut. And Rajdeep, let me really tell you that I somehow feel that there is another political game to it, and probably Sanjay Raut is silently ruining the Shiv Sena.
That's another point. But I want to understand from you. In your experience, do you believe that the BMC demolished or attempted to demolish Kangana Ranaut's house because they are acting against illegalities, or was it simply vendetta politics, vindictive politics?
Rajdeep, you tell me, till date the BMC has not demolished an Adarsh, which is an epitome of illegality. They did not have the guts to do that till date, and here they are all set to demolish without giving a notice, and that too when there is a High Court order saying that nothing can be demolished now. And What
Right.
the hell is happening? This is nothing but a pure political tamasha. Shiv Sena has always been very immature. Whether it was RJ Malishka when she just came out with that song, they targeted her, they ransacked her house and went on looking for some dengue causing germs. I don't know. I mean, either
You're
they've
saying-
lost it
you're
or
saying it is the
they're
Shiv Sena's
absolutely politically immature.
You're saying the Shiv Sena's political immaturity has been exposed. The other flip side of it, of course, would be, Ms. Shalini, somewhere that the BJP also finds itself in a difficult position. At one level, you want to be seen to distance yourself from Kangana Ranaut's statements, which are perceived as anti-Mumbai or anti-Maharashtra. And at the other side, you want to be seen to be somehow or the other targeting the Shiv Sena. I want to understand from you very clearly, would the BJP support Kangana Ranaut tomorrow if she was to say, I am going to stand, I am ready to become a politician from the BJP? Would you want her to join you?
Okay, Rajdeep, I'll come to answer this question, but before that, I want to answer what Anu Ranjan ji actually said. She said that Kangana had said that 99% of the Bollywood was druggist, but not one person came out. That's my question also. If they are not, they should have come out and said that no, this is wrong and we'll prove you wrong. Second, she as a woman is saying that she asked for it. Didn't Amir Khan ask for it when he said that my wife doesn't feel safe here? Didn't Nasruddin Shah ask for it when he said that, oh, I don't feel the country is safe anymore? Didn't Pratap Sarnaik ji, who's an
but you
MLA
didn't
in Shiv Sena, ask for
you
it
didn't
when
defend
he
Amir
said that
Khan.
you dare not come back to...
No, BJP called Amir Khan anti-national. When Amir Khan made these comments, he was called anti-national.
I am calling out the entire Bollywood. We at that point also, we criticized it. And coming back to your question, Rajdeep, you are asking me which side we are on. I am on the side of the right, unlike you. In fact, I am absolutely on the opposite side of you, because people like you feel that the opposite of right is left.
No,
but
one minute.
opposite of right is wrong.
Madam,
Please
why am I
understand
being
that.
No, one
What
minute.
is
One
wrong
minute.
is wrong.
That, I don't want to get into your right-left debate. This is BJP versus Shiv Sena. I am a good, I am a proud Mumbaiker and a proud Maharashtrian, and I do not like.
You asked me.
I am not
you
here.
Asked me,
No.
You asked me which side you are on.
Right. Okay.
I told you very clearly, we do not stand with what Kangana Ranaut said.
Okay.
We don't agree to what she said.
Do you believe?
But
Okay,
she's an
you made your
individual.
point.
But does that mean that the entire state machinery will get after one individual?
Good point.
You might stand
Good
for
point.
that, but I will not, because this is wrong.
Anu Ranjan,
And
when
I
you
will
said,
stand-
just a minute, ma'am. Anu Ranjan, when you said that Kangana has asked for it, tomorrow it could happen to any citizen of this country. I mean, surely there should be due process, give her a notice, go through the process. The entire thing smacks of what is being suggested, either arrogance of power or a PR disaster or an immature party.
Rajdeep, before that, when she spoke about the 99% and nobody spoke, it's like saying, India is such a hot place. What do you mean India is such a hot place? You say, okay, Rajasthan is hot, Simla is cold. It's like saying the industry smoke. Either be specific. So obviously, they didn't feel it to even answer that stupid bloody statement. If anything, if you come up and say, okay, Anu, you did this, or Rajdeep, you did this, we have every reason to answer back. She just comes up with just about anything because it sounded so good and there was this clear field. Play what you want, attack who you want. Now, on the other hand, you are literally, what I meant asking for it is because you are coming up with names and abusing them. You cannot call a chief, it's like in school you're taught, this is the principal, these are the teachers, aap bolo, please bolo, respect bolo. You come up and say, array, to a chief minister, head of police, head of all the guys who are our support system, Teri, tu, what nonsense
And
are we
are you
talking here?
allowed to call
So
a
then you
woman
talk in a
haramkhor?
particular language, you expect that in return. It's got to be very, very clear. And don't keep putting industry. Okay, she wants to talk about industry. Why should they answer? What if I say all of BJP or all of Congress or all of Shiv Sena, all are whatever they are?
Okay.
Who's going to get up and answer?
Point
you
taken.
say so is this, and
Bharat
I can
Dabholkar-
imagine somebody coming up.
Bharat Dabholkar, you
Of
used
course
to...
we
No,
will
one
answer.
minute.
If we believe
just
if
a minute,
it's
ma'am.
against our ideology,
just
of
a
course
minute.
we will
On
answer.
this show, no crosstalk. Bharat Dabholkar, over the years, you used to do a lot of satirical comedies, theatre in Mumbai.
Yes.
I'm just
Yes.
saying the language that is being used, both by Kangana Ranaut तू
Yeah.
कैसा, तेरी औकात क्या है? I mean, this is
Yeah.
not,
Yeah.
once you do not respect others will not respect you. Are you
Yes.
worried that
Absolutely.
it's just the sheer decline in quality of language being used here?
It is. But Rajdeep, let me tell you one thing. I think Kangana may be a loose cannon. She may be a pawn in this whole political game. My point is she's immature. She makes all kinds of statements. My only concern here is, as an establishment, as the government, you should show some restraint. You should not make the statements that she is making. You don't have to respond to
What
everything that she's
nonsense.
saying. As a government, as an establishment, you can't do that. As Shiv Sena, you can do it, but as a government, you can't do it.
Okay,
So that's the problem I
What
have, and I think
nonsense.
that's what.
Okay, I
Sharad
take your
Pawar ji,
point.
what you
You're
said is the
saying
same thing.
a government should not bring down the discourse to the level of maybe someone who's...
An individual saying anything that he
Okay.
wants. Yes.
Anjali Damania, I've
What
just
nonsense.
got a report which says that actually Kangana Ranaut was told in 2018 about the illegalities. So this is not as if this has happened overnight. The claim that is now being made by the Shiv Sena is that this is, for 2 years, she's been aware of these illegalities. It's not that Kangana, they may have proceeded on the demolition post the war of words, but it's for 2 years it's been pending. Are we saying that
Precisely.
if she has illegal constructions, are we saying they should not be touched, Anjali Damania?
No,
It's a
no,
time and
Rajdeep,
place,
they
Rajdeep, time
absolutely
and
need
place.
to
Okay,
be
you're
touched,
saying there's a
not
time and
just
place.
touched,
Bharat
they need to
Dabholkar
be
is saying time and
demolished.
place. Okay, yes, go ahead, Anjali.
Yeah. So the point is, Rajdeep, if they are illegal, there is no doubt that they have to be demolished, but that has to be done with a due process of law. She should be, if she was informed, information is another thing, and serving notice is another altogether, and she should be given time to explain, or else she herself should bring it down. So the timing is definitely questionable. There is absolutely no doubt. Rajdeep, in Marathi we say "Shemda por pan mane." So anybody in Maharashtra will know that this is nothing but vindictive politics by Shiv Sena. Shiv Sena is doing, in
No, but
Marathi again we say "Kurad marna."
I take the point that Shiv Sena is doing politics here, but Shweta Shalini, the charge is that when Riya Chakrabarti happens, that's when the BJP guns for a woman. Now suddenly you are saying that Kangana is a woman, look at the way she's being targeted. What about when when there are rape threats on social media, many of them linked to IT cells of the BJP against Riya Chakrabarti?
Riya. Absolutely.
I don't hear any of you speak ever in defense of Riya Chakrabarti. Instead, you put all the agencies against her, and then eventually, what is the charge that is brought?
No, because
that
we
she
are
was providing
because
drugs to her
Rajdeep,
boyfriend.
You may be. Because
No, are you
Rajdeep,
defending the
may
rape
be
threats?
spokesperson of Riya Chakrabarti.
Sir,
I am the
Rajdeep-
spokesperson of Bharatiya Janata Party.
I am asking you a
I am
simple
not going to
question.
speak
Do you
in favor of
justify
Riya
rape
Chakrabarti.
threats
I am
against
supposed to
Riya
speak what
Chakrabarti?
Your
Is
simple
Riya not a
question,
woman?
I have understood your simple question. First and foremost, let me answer. Of course, she is a woman.
Then?
Have I said anything personally wrong against Riya Chakrabarti? We have just said that, and we have never used unparliamentary language. What we have said is we need justice. My party is not responsible for what the third person says, please. You need to understand.
Okay.
But we are not spokesperson of Riya Chakrabarti. And let me target and answer your question. Access to justice is everyone's right.
Sure.
It was informed to Kangana Ranaut that there are things which are wrong. But was the notice served? How much time was given to Kangana Ranaut to respond? Why was the BMC filing the caveat? What did the court say? Did they stop? Did BMC stop for the stay order
Okay.
to come? They
Point-
actually demolished it before the court gave its orders. And last but not the least, did they only demolish what was illegal? They demolished everything, including electronics. What was that?
Point
and
taken.
Bharat ji is saying that it is PR.
No,
It
he's
is
saying
simply
that Shiv
pride,
Sena is...
nothing else.
He's on your side. He's on your side. He's saying that it is terrible, the time and place and the manner in which it has
Yes,
been
I
done.
know it is a
Smacks
PR.
of vendetta. Let's leave it there. Clearly, this is an issue once again, which has brought in the misuse and abuse of state power. The Shiv Sena seems to have
Rajdeep,
done
can
it
I
in
say
this.
something? Can I
Yes,
say
yes,
something,
Anuranjan, final word, 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Okay, now I'll tell you what bothered me the utmost. They're all talking, everybody, I don't know how
Yes.
politicians get into something of an individual who's done right or wrong. That's another issue altogether.
Yes.
The fact is that Kangana has the security of 11 people. We just saw Rhea 2 days ago. She was practically molested by 1 million people. There was not a bit of security, and she's not been charged guilty yet. So what is good for Peter is good for Paul. So let's not get into she's this and he's that. Poor this girl, innocent child. Nothing of the sort. Everybody bloody knows what they're doing. And she's done it. She's one of the
Let me
smartest
remind you,
girls
Anuj,
Okay,
in
good
this industry.
point. Good
She's
point. Let's leave
accused.
it there. I think that's a good point on which to sort of end this debate. What is good for Rhea and what is good for Kangana? At the end of the day, there must be a due process that is followed. Whether you're demolishing a house or whether you're going to pronounce someone guilty even without a fair trial. Let's leave it there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.